My name is Dave de Witt. I run a small business called Skate Shades, where we upcycle old skateboards into sunglasses and light fittings, bottle openers, and various other accessories. I'm basically a carpenter, woodworker, but I focus more on making sunglasses out of used skateboards. So we'll take an old skateboard, chop it up into a whole lot of pieces, sand it down, relaminate it, slice it into veneers, and then start forming sunglasses. So they're all made out of upcycled skateboards, or 90%, and then we'll use some indigenous hardwoods like candlewood, and then maybe some imported exotic woods like walnuts and that sort of thing. In this day and age, there's so much waste created from everything that we do, so it's important to keep those things out of landfills, especially if you can find something creative to do with them. We need to take care of the planet and reduce our waste. And I mean, I've chopped up probably over 1,000 skateboards, so that's over 1.3 tons of waste that I've kept out of landfill. So all skate shades are made by hand. We don't have any CNCs or laser cutters or anything like that. So everything's done in-house from, like I said, recycled tools, handmade jigs, and just using as little of the skateboard as possible and trying to create as little waste as possible from each pair of shades. Our main customer would actually be people that enjoy something that's unique and one of a kind as well as sustainable. Yes, I've actually exported to 32 different countries around the world, from America, Hawaii, all the way to New Zealand. There's a pair of skate shades on pretty much every continent. Yeah, so I do have an online shop, ship anywhere in the world. My dream would be to move more into R&D kind of field, where I'm researching and developing, making new products, and eventually get hand skate shades over to employ some people, get a little business going, empower people to do things and teach them skills, that sort of thing, and then be in the back or around developing new products and figuring out new ways and more efficient ways to make things out of skateboards or any kind of wood. My advice would be to go and get it, go and do it, and don't be afraid to fail, because, or like you do when you're skateboarding, you fall down, you get back up, you try the trick again, and you fall down, you get back up, you try it again, until you land the trick and you roll away and you get that good feeling that you did it and you can move on to the next thing.